is a one of one. No, we are not the same. After the meditation's done, then we manifest again. We shining in the rain because we charged up in the sun. Always live in abundance. We ain't about to change a thing. Manifest like I did. It's live forever. Love my partner. That's nice.
What's happening, family? All right, the fire started. We're working on the truck. We're doing the ball joints. We're popping them out. So please join me today. Welcome back to Newest Garage. Give thanks.
We need likes. How about dislikes? Are dislikes good too? So they're the same. I don't care. So how could you not dislike? You either like it or you dislike it.
We need to get at least 10,000 likes.
We need at least 10,000 likes.
To upload
That's it. We need likes. We need likes. All you gotta do is press a button. We need dislikes. We need dislikes. Please, dislike us. Tell everybody to hate us. What else you want to do? Just like it, dislike it, comment. All right?
See what we got going on over here. I'm gonna put you guys up on the tripod. I'll put you guys on time lapse. Once again, thank you for joining me. Give thanks. Overview. So what I got, we're on jacks, wheels off the ground, just slightly. Got a big ass friggin' crowbar under the wheel. All right, and I'm using my leg here as a leverage to push down on it. So yeah, that's all you need to do. All right, see the wheel? I don't know what's happening. So let's go inside out to the joint. If you look at the joint, hope you can clearly see that. Let me get a little more leverage. There we go. Not too sure if that's coming off on camera. Yeah, your wheel shouldn't do that. All right, I think you got the point. So lower ball joint got to come out. Lower ball joint got to come out. Give thanks. What's happening, family? It's me again. All right, so we're gonna take the wheel off because we need to get the wheel off. If you guys look here, you see more of what I'm looking at. off the best on camera, but you see that? That's why I want to change the seal. If you look at the injectors, I don't even want to touch them, but I think I gotta touch them with all that corrosion. But yeah, that seal is what's really harassing me right now. Alright. Newest Garage. Like and subscribe. If you want more of this, if you want to see this restoration. If you want to see this restoration, please comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Alright guys? That way you can keep up to date with the current events of the garage. Give thanks. Alright guys, chapter 2. We're doing the Chapter 2, we're doing the passenger side lower ball joint. So we gotta take the drive shaft? Yeah, we gotta take the front drive shaft off. It's K3500. If y'all want to come join me, taking off the drive shaft, we'll put y'all in the tripod. Let's get it. Right now I gotta clean up this inner race. As you can see, it was quite built up. So I'm gonna go clean this guy up. And I will touch back with you guys when I have everything set up to press in. Because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna heat this guy up, and I already have the ball joint in the freezer, and we will press these guys in. All right, so let me get everything set up. I'm going to clean this race up, and I'll meet you guys back once I have the press set. Give thanks. This is a new commercial. Hey family, what's going on? Welcome back. In case you don't know already, New Garage is the proud dealer of Am's Oil, right? So if you need some Am's Oil, yes, Am's Oil of any type. If you need it, because right now it's the summer season, right? So you have your ATV time, you have your dirt bike, you have the RX-7. Oh God, look at the thing, you know what I mean? So if you need any oil, click the link down below, and you'll see where you can get the dealer special. I'm not sure what the promotion is right now, but click the link if you need any oil from Am's Oil, and I'll make sure to give you the newest special. All right, if you guys want the newest special from Am's Oil. So again, click the link if you need Am's Oil. Dealer special, newest special. Show support, guys. This is the best way to show support. Hit the link down below. And there we have it. Yes, I wasn't able to show you the install, but yes, it's finished. So for now, let's shine the light on that accomplishment and let's move on to the next project. There's a lot more work that I'm going to be doing to the truck in this position, so I'm not going to be able to show you the truck off the ground, but if you stay with me, I have more maintenance to do on the truck, as you've seen. So if you like this type of content, take the time, check out my work, subscribe, hit me a comment, give me some more ideas on what other plans you would like to see shine on this truck. Alright, give thanks. Appreciate you joining me.